This is cooking lab number 9. I have my sugar, my whisk, my measuring things, cream of tartar. I already cracked a couple eggs in there. And yeah. Now I'm gonna separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Whoa. I didn't get yolk in it. That's good. Now I'm going to add in 1/8 teaspoon for each egg, and there's 2, so I got this one. Got my 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar in the plastic bowl. Alright, I don't think it's doing what I want it to be doing, but I'm gonna add some sugar in there anyway. There we go. I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar in there. Okay, so after whipping, oh my God! That felt like 2 days of whipping, but we got a little thing going on there. All right. I got my 1/4 tablespoon of cream of tartar. And I forgot to mention that at the beginning, I let the egg whites sit for 15 minutes to get to room temperature. And I'm gonna add in my sugar to the glass bowl. We got it looking like this, so I'm gonna add a little bit, my other tablespoon of sugar. Whoops. There we go. Let's see what we got. Aww. Got a little soft peak. I'm gonna keep going, see if I can get a hard one. Hold on, I wanna make another one. Now we got the hard peaks, stiff peaks. I don't know what they're called. Yay, let's make another one. Right, and after a minute, it looked like they stayed. All right, I'm gonna eat it. Dip my grapes in that later.